welcome back, guys, to the channel, to another video. And today is going to be chill ride across the river, and we can speak a little bit of what's happening. What the fuck? And yeah, I mean, I'm getting some I'm getting some comments regarding my approach to you guys. Some of you like this type of let's say vlog, so I'm here speaking with you guys and etc. Stories and comments and whatsoever, and there are some of you that really don't like this type of videos, so they just prefer just ASMR, let's say like that, of let's just me and the bike and that's it, no speaking whatsoever. Eu sei, mas eu estava dentro do limite de velocidade. A senhora estar aqui no meio também é um bocadinho perigoso, está bem? Pronto, está bem. So this just happened, what the fuck? She was in the middle of the street. It was under the speed limit. So, let's continue what I was saying. Yeah. So I invested in a mic, still learning the process of not the process, the perfect position of the mic, because I know sometimes can be noisy of too much of my voice, but I'm still learning. Or we can go to the old videos and just do the bike, or do both. So I need you guys to help me in the comments and say if you prefer just bike roads and no noise, just environment noise, or bike road and me speaking with you guys and interacting with you guys. So leave me a comment, please. This one I'm not going to speak too much. This is it. Enjoy the ride now across the river. If I feel I need to say something, I will, but to be honest with you, I enjoy speaking and just conversation with you guys, because I do have some feedback, and that's awesome, and that's what I like. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is, and just tell me what you think, and enjoy it, guys. Peace.